Are you having issues with dead spots or any type of issues with your lawn here in Phoenix? My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and we are here to offer a new service, a professional lawn diagnosis service, where we actually go to your home and do a diagnosis of the issue. We can go through your property and check for pH balances, nutrient deficiencies. We do a full sprinkler audit to make sure that you're getting the proper coverage, check for a sunlight shade analysis, basically do a thorough water audit for a water schedule to check if you're watering the appropriate amount for the areas. Also doing a weed and pest check and just seeing if that's causing the issue, and coming up with a complete custom action plan to resolve the issue at your yard. So if this is something you're interested in, here in Phoenix, we just have it's a really tough climate for turf, for grass. I mean, grass isn't native to Phoenix, and because of that, it's challenging to keep it green and actually just make it look really nice like in other parts of the country. So with our extreme heat and drought and our tough alkaline soils and just inefficient water wasting with, water that doesn't properly absorb into the soil, this is something that we can help with. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us, AMS Landscaping at azlawns.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, or check us out on Instagram or X at AZLawns. Make it a great day.